Hey everyone, and welcome back to Digicom Cafe. Grab a seat and your coffee because we're going to check out something pretty cool today.
Yeah, this is a good one.
So you know how we're always looking for tech that makes life easier?
Right.
Well, we found something that you might just want to add to your toolkit.
Definitely.
It's called Simple PTT.
Simple PTT. Yeah, and the best part is there's a crazy deal right now
Oh, yeah?
on the Anysecular C200 radio, plus you get a whole year
Wow.
of Simple PTT service.
Nice.
We're talking clear, reliable communication no matter where you are.
I like it.
All at the push of a button.
Seriously, it's like they took all the best parts of walkie-talkies
Yeah.
and kind of like supercharged him with like modern tech.
For sure. For sure.
But let's break it down a little bit.
Go.
So imagine this. You're out on a job site,
Okay.
coordinating a team spread across a large area.
Right.
With Simple PTT and the Anysecular C200, you can instantly connect with anyone on your team,
Yep.
regardless of the distance.
That's because Simple PTT uses what are called 4G POC radios.
4G POC radios.
Yeah. Think of them as like long-range walkie-talkies.
Oh.
But they use cellular networks
instead
of those limited traditional radio frequencies.
Interesting.
That means you get that instant push-to-talk functionality you're used to,
Right.
but with incredible range and clarity.
So we're not talking about like your grandpa's clunky walkie-talkie here.
No.
This is next-level stuff.
For sure.
What are some of the things that make the Anysecular C200 stand out?
Well, first off, the battery life is phenomenal.
Okay.
It's got a 3,000 milliamp battery.
Right.
Which means you can go days without worrying about recharging.
Wow.
That's a game changer for anybody who needs to stay connected in the field.
Yeah, I can see how that would be huge for, like, say, a construction crew.
Yeah.
Or a search and rescue team.
Absolutely.
But what about the actual quality of the communication?
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear?
Absolutely. The C200 has high-quality sound output, so you can be sure you're getting your message across. Loud and clear, even in noisy environments.
It's got a long-lasting battery, and the sound quality is top-notch.
Right.
But what about actually using it?
Yeah.
Is it complicated to set up and manage?
Not at all. That's where the real PTT app comes in.
Okay.
It basically acts as your command center,
Oh, okay.
allowing you to manage contacts, create groups, and initiate calls,
Uh-huh.
all from a user-friendly interface.
So it's like taking the simplicity of a walkie-talkie
Right.
and combining it with the power and flexibility of a smartphone app.
Exactly.
That's a pretty winning combination.
I think so.
C200 and Simple PTT aren't just for businesses
Oh, yeah.
or professional teams.
Right.
I mean, think about it. Family road trips,
Uh-huh.
hiking with friends,
Mm-hmm.
even just coordinating a neighborhood block party.
Yeah.
Having that instant, reliable communication
Right.
could be a real game changer.
Yeah, like peace of mind
Yeah.
in your pocket.
Totally.
You know that you can reach somebody
Yeah.
no matter what, adds a whole layer of safety and security to any activity.
And speaking of security, there's one more piece of this puzzle we haven't talked about yet.
Okay.
The PC dispatch control software.
Ah, yes, that's where things get really interesting.
Oh, really?
This software essentially gives you a bird's eye view
Right?
of your entire communication network.
So instead of just individual conversations, you can coordinate and manage a whole fleet of radios
Yeah,
from a central location?
exactly. You
Mhm.
can track the real-time location of your team-managed group calls, send out emergency alerts, even record voice communications
Wow.
for later review.
It's like having mission control
Right.
at your fingertips.
At your fingertips.
I can see how that would be invaluable for emergency services,
Sure.
security teams, and even large-scale event management.
Absolutely. And the beauty of it is it's all built on the foundation of Simple PTT,
Okay.
a network that's designed to make communication, well, simple.
Right.
It's like they've taken all the complexity out of the equation
Yeah.
and given you a streamlined, intuitive way to connect with the people who matter most.
So whether you're coordinating a team across a vast job site, keeping tabs on your family during a camping trip, or managing a fleet of vehicles across a city,
Yeah.
Simple PTT has you covered.
And remember that incredible deal we mentioned earlier?
Oh, yeah?
Right now, you can get the Anysecular C200 radio and a whole year of Simple PTT service
Okay.
at a special discounted price.
That's right. Just head over to simple.digicomcafe.com
Yep.
to check it out. It's an offer you won't want to miss.
You know, as we've been talking about all the features and benefits, I keep coming back to that tagline.
Okay.
Communications isn't hard, it's simple.
Yeah.
Just PTT.
I like
It really captures the essence
Yeah.
of what Simple PTT is all about.
It's like a breath of fresh air in a world that's constantly bombarding us. With complexity, they've managed to distill communication down to its purest form. Push a button,
Yeah.
Speak your message and connect instantly.
Yeah. It's brilliant.
It's brilliant.
And it makes you wonder, why wasn't this done sooner?
Right.
Simple PTT has the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate,
I agree.
both personally and professionally.
Absolutely. And I have a feeling we're just scratching the surface of what's possible with this technology.
Sure.
As more and more people discover the power and simplicity of simple PTT,
Yeah.
I think we're going to see some truly innovative applications emerge.
I'm excited to see where it goes. It's like we're on the cusp of a new era of communication, one
Right.
where clarity, efficiency, and ease of use reign supreme.
And on that note, we want to hear from you. What are your initial impressions of simple PTT? What questions are swirling around in your mind as you imagine the possibilities? You know, when we were talking earlier about using it personally,
Yeah.
I was reminded of a story I read about a group of friends who used simple PTT during a hurricane.
Oh, wow.
They were able to check on each other and
Oh.
help out their neighbors.
Wow. That's awesome. So cool.
It's not just about convenience. You know,
Yeah.
it's about safety, security, and community.
Yeah.
It's about having that lifeline when you need it most.
For sure.
And that brings us back to that tagline. You know, communication isn't hard. It's simple.
Yeah.
Just PTT.
It's a powerful statement
It is.
because it really speaks to our need to connect.
For sure to be heard.
Exactly.
You know, in a world that's often so noisy and chaotic,
Right.
simple PTT kind of offers a sense of clarity and control.
Like cutting through the clutter.
Yeah,
Get
exactly.
right to the point.
And I want to remind everyone about that deal we talked about.
Yeah, that's right.
You can get the AnySecU C200 and a whole year of simple PTT service
Nice.
at a special discounted price.
That's awesome.
Just head over to simple.digicomcafe.com.
Yeah.
You won't regret it.
It's really cool to see how technology can be so powerful,
Yeah.
but also so easy to use.
Well said.
Thanks for joining us today at Digicom Cafe.
We'll see you next time.